Hey guys, coming to you from a window. That natural light is the best light. So today, welcome to Lover of All Things Good, of course, but also I wanted to take you through a new recipe, something that's simple and easy to make, something I love. It's very quick as well, and it's chicken breast. So a lot of you don't have a lot of time, like myself, so I love making chicken breast. It pretty much goes with almost everything, and I'm gonna saute it today with some rosemary, some basil, and some oregano, and then also add some onions and some tomatoes to it. And then also I'm going to be doing a nice marinade with some turmeric, some cinnamon, and some honey, and some great other spices and some herbs as well. So let me know what you think in the comments. Please remember to subscribe and turn on notifications, and also give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, and hopefully we can make this a lot more engaging for you all too. So thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more. And I'm gonna be using some honey, so some sage honey. I get it from my local farmer's market. See that? Perfect. And I think I'm kind of actually addicted to honey. It's just so good, it's good for you, and it's good to you. I also have some turmeric here, which I love. That's a great flavor. I have some cayenne pepper. I have some red pepper flakes that have been crushed, of course. Some sea salt. Love that. Some paprika. And then also we have some cinnamon, which is kind of a little bit of a secret ingredient. I think it may sound kind of weird to some of you guys, but trust me, it's actually really good. The key is to use just enough, but not too much, because you don't want your chicken tasting like a cinnamon roll. So really good stuff. And of course I have some basil here, some fresh basil from my garden. And then I also have some bay leaves, which I like to use. They really help with the marinade and whatnot. It's really good. We're gonna take a little bit of a stroll over here, and I'm gonna show you some other ingredients. So I have some rosemary, pretty fresh here. I have some ginger. With this ginger, I'm gonna actually use it. I'm gonna peel it with a spoon, which you'll see shortly. Got some tomatoes, got some garlic, which I love. I put garlic in everything, and it's really good for me because I'm kind of getting over a cold, so on the path and road to recovery, it's always perfect. And then of course I got some lemon, put that lemon in it. Some jalapeno for some heat and some spice. Perfect. And then also an onion, one full onion. We're gonna slice that up, saute it. It's gonna add a nice little bit of sweetness, but I love onion. I put it in almost everything that I eat when it comes to like savory dishes and whatnot, so, and like dinner. And then also I have some sliced organic cage-free chicken breast. All right guys, so we're gonna start by taking our chicken right there, see that? Gonna add some olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Take some peppercorns right here, and we're gonna basically just, like so, add that to the chicken. We're gonna add probably about half a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. All right, we may use some for later, so I'll save that. Then I'm also gonna take this and gonna add in that paprika. All right, look at that, nice color. Gonna also add in that cinnamon. And we're going to add in those crushed red pepper flakes. Nice, gonna add some nice heat in there too. Perfect. All right, now time for some turmeric. All right, gonna add that in there like that. And then probably not all of this, but a good amount of the cayenne pepper. So we're gonna have some heat in this dish, all right? I might as well put everything. All right, perfect. I like it spicy, so. Honey, which I talked about before, the sage honey. I'm gonna actually take some, probably about, I just kind of dump it in there, probably about 1/8 of a cup. All right, add that there. Now I'm gonna move on to cutting this basil. I'm just gonna chop it up really nice and finely. I'm gonna kind of actually roll it up like a little bit of a burrito. Kind of dump in a couple of these too. I usually cook with them, but I'll put them in the marinade as well. So that was actually, I just put in the bay leaves. I already washed this, but I'm actually going to take a little bit of the rosemary that I have here. And I'm gonna take this rosemary, see that? It's a great garden herb. and dump it in there as well. Just like that. So we're getting a lot of color in here, a lot of orange, some red, and some green. I've already washed, maybe I just did it right now, but I washed the jalapeno. I'm gonna slice that up nicely. All right, so let's take one zester. It's a great tool for the kitchen. You can use it for cheese, anything that has skin basically. I'm gonna just take it and zest one lemon. Side, I'm gonna slice this lemon. And just so you know, the tool I got out was my juicer. Trusty old friend. Put that in here, and just gonna take this, put it back over here, and we're gonna start basically just put some juice in there. What I'm also gonna do now is basically take this garlic and peel it a little bit. So we're gonna take a couple of cloves from here. So we're gonna just basically take that, scoop it up like that, and add it back into this mixture. Just like that, perfect. All right guys, so I got my ginger, basically just washed it, see that? Nice. And I'm gonna, I have a lot, so I'm actually just gonna slice it like that. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, please just let me know in the comments. I'm more than happy to respond, provide whatever insight. And heck, I may learn some stuff myself, so I probably will. So please share the love and keep the conversation going. Alright, so there we have our marinade. I'm actually gonna take it and put it in the fridge right now, right? Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by slicing this onion. Alright, so what I just did is I went and got a different cutting board. I'm gonna now cut my tomatoes up. They've been already washed. I'm just gonna take those like this. Alright, so I got my chicken out of the fridge. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just basically gonna cut off the ends. I like to cut the ends off, even though I know some people like to eat those. Alright guys, so just finished cooking. See that? It's pretty good. I'm gonna actually just take it and put it on a plate, serving plate. There you go. Alright.